Your kitchen is the heart of your home and you deserve to have it looking as beautiful as possible. In this segment, let's focus on kitchen countertops specifically. Kitchen countertops should be sturdy materials that are simple to care for that will look great for years to come. While the most important thing to consider when choosing a countertop surface for your kitchen is durability, the aesthetic is also super important. Quartz and natural stones like granite, quartzite, and even some marbles check both of these boxes, making them the most popular choices for kitchen countertops. They are available in wide ranges of colors and patterns, so selecting your stone can be one of the most exciting yet difficult components of planning your renovation project. In order to determine which stone color best enhances your space, you'll need to think about a few other components that can help you narrow down your search for the right countertop. It's important to think about the general style of your space when choosing your countertop. Solid white or gray, which can be achieved with quartz, are popular choices for modern or contemporary rooms, whereas warmer colors with a more natural look and movement work well for a rustic or country style area. While traditional or farmhouse style kitchens may beg for a wide-veined marble look quartz or a classic soapstone, eclectic styles can be enhanced with a strikingly bold and colorful granite or quartzite selection. Whatever your aesthetic may be, we have something for you. It's no secret that light colors make a room look bigger. Keep this in mind when renovating a small kitchen and go with light colors in large areas like cabinets, paint, flooring, and of course, countertops and backsplash. It's easy to fall into a white on white on white trap, so make sure to implement some color in there to keep the room from looking too sterile or clinical. Light countertops are wildly popular, so it should be fairly easy to find something to match your style in granite or quartz. Your cabinets are most likely the second most essential visible facet of your kitchen, so it's important to choose a stone that will complement them. For instance, stained wood cabinets work well with warmer colors, so looking for a granite that has the same color or tones as your cabinets is a great place to start. Light countertops on dark cabinets create a beautifully crisp contrast, and white cabinets are a blank slate for any level or color of pattern. Also, it is not unusual for an island cabinet color to be different than the rest of the cabinets, in which case you can choose one color that works best for both areas, or go with two different countertop colors that contrast but still complement each other. The bottom line in choosing the right stone color for your kitchen countertop is this: consider the style, size, and other color components of your kitchen, and let Jubilee help you to implement your vision for your home. Contact us now for your free estimate.